If the message input is empty, display an alert to the user with the message, please enter a message. Then exit the function execution. So let's have an if condition block. First, we write if, and then inside the parentheses would be the condition. So let's see. If the message input value, because we know that we had already declared uh, a variable message input which is assigned to the element message input. Now if we input message input, and if it is empty, it will run inside this code. Now this would only check the element message input, not the value. Okay, not the input of this, not the value, no, not the message input, which would be the value. Okay, it would only check the element itself, not the value. I hope you get that right. Now, in order to get the value of that element is that we call in the variable message input, which is assigned to this line of code, which is used to extract the element from the index HTML. So if the value of message input is empty, it would run this code. So the instruction says, if that's the case, it says to display an alert to the user with the message, please enter a message. Now we can do that with inputting the alert method, alert, and that would please enter a message. Now we can do that by returning this alert method, but it says exit the function execution. So perhaps let's put it in here after the alert itself. So it would return nothing, but it would still alert the user, because that is what the alert method does. Now I don't know the reason why we have to exit the function execution early, but all I know is that this practice is used for handling errors, and I don't know, it's just used to exit the function in its early execution. But I don't know. Nice, I guess. Oops. Says your if statement should display an alert to the user. Oh, I forgot dot, I mean period. Nice.